Hi everyone, it's June and welcome back. It is 1 month. It is 1 month today that I started the hair growth challenge here on YouTube, and I'm very excited to be here, and I'm so happy to be sticking with this. I know in the past I've done it for 8 weeks and 12 weeks and then I stopped, but I'm in this for the long haul because I'm just so excited. I am loving, loving, loving neem oil, and so many of you are loving neem oil, and it just makes me so happy that we're all doing this together. Let's get into it. So for those of you who are new here, I have done hair growth challenges in the past and they all work. I get so many emails saying, well, why are you doing this hair challenge? Wasn't the first challenge good? First challenge, then there was the second one. People are still doing it, so I don't want you to think that they didn't work. After a while, it stopped working, and that was for me. Like, everybody is different. So there are people that are still doing that challenge and they're getting amazing results. People are still doing it. However, everybody is different. Everybody's scalp is not going to react like another person. So you have to find out what is right for you. So when I bring you these products, I am simply showing you a way that I am doing it, and then if you wanted to try, then go ahead, try it. They are not expensive challenges. I mean, an oil can cost, I think the most, $10. And to me, that's not expensive when you are trying to grow your hair back. Some people ask me, well, why don't you just get the hair transplant? I don't have the money for that. I don't have thousands upon thousands of dollars. And to tell you the truth, I really don't want to get surgery. And if you've gotten hair transplant surgery and it's worked for you, that's amazing. I mean, anything that we can do to get our hair back is amazing. So, question of the day is, what are you doing to get your hair back? You can comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to me, please, and press the bell notification by the subscribe button so that you can be updated on upcoming videos, because you don't want to miss this. Yeah. Okay, so let's get right into it. So for 1 month, I have been doing at least 3 times a week. I've been using the neem oil, some with carrier oils, and I love it. My scalp feels completely clean. It's just, I don't know if any of you are doing the neem oil, if you are experiencing this, but the neem oil just makes your scalp feel clean. I don't have any, it doesn't look like I have any infection on my head, like nothing. Like, my hair is not red, my scalp is not red, it's not irritated. When I use the Dr. Organic shampoo and conditioner, it has a menthol feeling to it. So when I put it on, it just feels like it's working. Like, I feel like there's a lot of things going on in the scalp, and it just makes me happy. I feel like my scalp is like alive. I don't know. Does that make sense? I also want to start taking maybe a supplement, a daily supplement. And that's another question I want to ask you guys. What are you taking? Are you taking biotin? Are you taking brewer's yeast? What are you doing? Because I'm getting a million advice emails about what to take orally. So are you taking something orally? Let me know in the comments down below. Let's get to the hair growth. Okay, so I feel my hair is thicker on top. I don't know. Some of you say, no, it looks the same. Some of you say, wow, your hair is getting thicker. Now, I have no piece in my hair, nothing. I have no piece in my hair, and I think it looks good. Of course, if I go like this, you're going to see right here. But look, I mean, okay, when I put my hair back like that, you can see the thicker part. Look, my hairline looks better. I don't think it looks so Like, of course, I have a long way to go, guys. This is not, this is not the end of my journey. I have a long way to go. And I really seriously think that even if I got my hair back, I think I would have to continue using the neem oil, because what happens when you stop? You know what I'm saying? But it's a good oil. So it's not like you're taking pills. It's not like a magic way of getting your hair back. I mean, it's a natural thing that we're putting on the head, so it's okay, Still have, obviously, my grays. Okay, so let me just talk about my grays. I dyed my hair, it's about 3 weeks ago, maybe even a little longer. And now, I don't know if you saw my videos in the past, my grays come in really, really fast. What I don't get is this. If I see thickness on top of my head, meaning that my hair is growing, right? If the grays aren't growing, and this was brought to my attention by someone who wrote on my video. If my hair is growing on top, but the grays are growing slower, wouldn't that mean that my hair growth is slower? Like, I don't get how that's working. It seems like, yeah, your hair is growing here, but it's not growing from the root. I don't even understand that. If you are doing anything to help with hair growth, but your grays are not coming in, please comment down below, because I am so interested in this. Because I'm telling you, I see hair growth. I see that it just looks darker over here. My hairline looks better, and my grays are not growing in so much. Well, back here, I said in the last video, back here my hair, my grays are showing more because I don't really put the dye back there. Oh, I hope you can see me. So yeah, I mean, I feel like it's growing. I don't know. I find when I put my hair like this, look, it doesn't look so see-through. Like, I could probably get away with going out like that if my hair would just stay like that. This is how I used to wear my hair years ago, just like this. Okay, let's take a picture. You ready? Another model picture. I do. I love it. I love it. Neem oil, I love it. I do. And like I said, it's got that smell. Mask it with something. Lavender oil, any kind of oil, just mask it. And it still has the same benefits. When you wash your hair, this is what I want to say. It only takes me one time to really, really wash my hair and condition it to get, the slight scent out. Some people say that they have to wash their hair a couple of times. But I find with the Dr. Organic shampoo and conditioner, it has that menthol feeling and smell. I love, love, love the smell. And I feel that that makes it where it doesn't smell like the rancid peanuts. The rancid peanuts. So you might want to check that out. I don't know. I use the green one. I wish I don't have a picture of it. Well, maybe I'll get one. I'll insert it right here. The green one, and you know what I'm saying. I don't know if the other ones have that, but I know that this one does, and I happen to love it. And you can get that. I think they have them at CVS, and I'm not affiliated with Dr. Organics, but I do have a link down below if you'd like to click. If you can't find it locally, you can feel free to use my link down below. And that's it. So tell me what you think, guys. Look, see the thickness. Am I going crazy? Or is, look, let's do this. Almost dropped something. Look, does it look, it don't look as bold. I'm telling you. Stick with it, guys, stick with it. If you're not doing this, as always, let me know down below what you are doing for your hair. I'm gonna go out now. That's right, I think I can go out like this. What do you think? So yeah, just keep watching and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.